It's in first canto Bhagavatam. Tirtha Bhutani. It says Tirtha Bhutani. Yudhisthira is glorifying Vidura. He's like one of the Kauravas, Vidura. So he was on a Tirtha Yatra, Haridwar, Rishikesh, Badrinath. Came back. He met many sadhus. And Yudhisthira is glorifying, Tirtha Bhutani. He said, you are all sub-tirth, Bitar. They're with you. Because you are sadhu. Because Yudhisthira said, Ab kaise hai? Kahan se? How are you? Where you came from? I went here, I went there, Badrinath, then Kedarnath, Badrinath, like this. All this. Gangotri, Yamunotri, Yatra. So then Yudhisthira, he said, well, actually, I didn't go there. I'm here in Indraprastha, near Merut. You know Merut? Indraprastha. It's the capital of Pandavas. But seeing you, and hearing from you, and he heard some katha also, then I get all benefit of all sub-tirtha. So this is the power. Satam prasangam mama virya samvado.